I am loving this wig, honey. Yes, Hershow, you better come on through, sis. You better come on through. Do y'all see that? So what's up, DB gang? This is going to be a collaboration with Hershow Hair, and this is how the packaging look. A really pretty box. So I'm going to just open it and show you guys what's inside. So I don't know if you guys can see that on right here. It says 100% virgin raw hair, and this is what I get in the packaging. And the wig come in this clear pouch bag. It says 100% virgin hair, Hershow. I'm gonna just take the wig out the packaging. The wig does come in a hairnet, so I'm going to just take that off. This is the beautiful pattern of this hair. I'm going to zoom in so you guys can see the pattern more better. The wig does have a little tissue inside. This is the lace. I will have to go in and bleach this lace. And this is the hairline. You can tell the hairline is pre-plucked a little bit, but I'm going to go in and customize it some more. And I do have some baby hairs. This is the inside construction of the wig. Wig do have 4 combs. So you have 1 comb in the nape area, as well as an adjustable straps to adjust the wig. You have 2 combs. You have 2 combs right here on the side, as well as a comb in the middle. Now I normally take the comb in the middle out, because normally when I have combs in the middle of the wigs, it snags on my braids. And this is the lace up top, a very pretty wig. And this pattern is deep wave in the inches of 24 inches. Guys, I'm going to wash this wig. I'm going to go and customize the hairline some more, as well as bleach the knots. So stay tuned. Yeah, I know I look crazy, but I wanted to come and show you how big the hair get once it's combed out. This is how big this hair gets. This wig is just giving me so much life. This wig is giving me Diana Ross vibes, like, and I love how, you know, it's looking very natural in the front. I am gonna go in and try to customize it more. I will be washing this hair. The hair doesn't have like no corn chip smell or anything to that nature. I don't know if I said this in the beginning, but it do have some baby hairs. So far this wig fits really comfortable on my head. It is no elastic band so far in this wig. I don't know if I'm gonna put one on. I guess I'll decide what I'm gonna do once I cut off the lace. Before I was running my hands through it, I didn't get any snags, but I did get, you know, minimum shedding, which is perfectly fine, because, you know, with any type of curly hair or like deep wave hair, you are going to get shedding. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but that's all the little shedding that I did get from running my hands through it. But so far, I'm really loving this hair. Like, I'm really loving this so far. I had to come and show you guys how big it gets. But yeah, guys, so definitely stay tuned. So y'all, I am back with the wig on my head. I did brush out the curls, so it's back poofy again. So to just lay my baby hairs down, you know guys, I normally don't use baby hairs, but I was like, you know what, let me attempt to try. I was plucking out the frontal. This is all the hair that's, you know, I plucked out. It may look like a lot, but it's really not. A little bit of the strands of the hair in the front did get a little bleach. I'm not too worried about that because, you know, the way I'm gonna wear the hair, nobody's really gonna see it. So I'm just gonna basically show you guys how I define my my curls. I did do this in the previous videos, but this video I'm gonna show you guys. So the items that I will be using is some Lana Body coconut and shea oil wrap me foam lotion, as well as my ORS Curls Unleash curl refresher, and a spray bottle with some water. Y'all, my spray bottle is a little ghetto because the piece fell off and I can't find it. Y'all, I did go in with some concealer in my part, and I didn't mention this before, but this is a 13x4 lace frontal deep wave wig. So that means it's 13 inches across. There's a 4-inch parting space. I'm gonna start in sections, so I'm gonna section the hair off in two, and I'm just going to twist this side. Y'all, if I happen to look down, that means I'm just looking in a mirror. I made Hair Harmony in the back because she is up. I'm basically going to use my spray bottle, spritz my hair down. I'm going to go in with the curl refresher, and after I'm going to go in with the styling mousse. So I don't want my hair drenching wet, but oh, this is going to be so messy. Let me get a towel. Loving this. Do y'all see them curls? I could already tell that this side is starting to dry up because it is getting poofy. But yes, I'm loving this wig. I think this is like one of my best wigs I have ever received. I did go in and add my elastic band. I will be doing a tutorial on how I bleach my knots as well as how I apply my elastic band. I did not use any got to be glue to gel down this wig. With this elastic band, y'all, this wig is not going nowhere. This wig is secured on my head. It's really soft. Now, I will leave all the information down below in the description box, as well as a discount code so you guys can definitely use. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Definitely go out, check out this company. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like this video, comment down below, hit that subscribe button, as well as turn on all your post notifications so every time I upload a video you guys can be notified. And like I always say, don't forget to be your own kind of you. Stay beautiful and stay blessed, and I'll talk to y'all later. Until the next time, peace.